Hi everyone, how are you doing? And welcome to our channel. And today in this video I'm going to tell you how can we install or uninstall some fonts in our computer. Okay, here I have Windows 10 in my computer and I'll teach you how to add some fonts in our computer, and also I'll tell you how to delete some fonts from our computer. Okay, and it's quite easy. Okay, and I want to show you that I have downloaded this font Rocket Rinder, okay, here, and I want to install this font. Okay, for this first I want to extract this. So this is the font file. I want to copy this in my desktop and I want to install this font in my system. Okay, so for this simply I have to go to control panel. Okay, simply type control panel and there you have fonts here. Yeah, you can see that. Just click on it and here you can see the list of the fonts that has been installed in your computer. Okay, and as I want this font to be installed in my system, so I just simply drag it here. Okay, now it is installing and now it's installed. Okay, quite easy. So here you can check Rocket. Yeah, here it is, Rocket Rinder regular. So this font is installed in our computer. And if you want some fonts to be uninstalled from your computer, okay, you just simply click on the font and just click on delete. Okay, it will ask if you delete this font, some text might not appear as you intended. Okay, as I click on yes, the font is uninstalled from our computer. Okay, so in this way we can install and uninstall some fonts from our computer. And friends, this was for today. I hope you like this video, so please like and share this video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notifications of my latest updates. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.